Hey friends, if you encounter the Windows 11 black screen loop after a Windows update, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolution. So here's what you have to do. First of all, you will have to search for device manager in the Windows search bar and open the device manager. Expand the list for display adapters. Right click on the first one and update it. Right click on the second one and update it as well. The next solution will be to update Windows. So right click on the start button and select settings. Update Windows if the update is like 2 or 3 days old because they must have pushed in a patch. And if this doesn't help, then go to update history. Scroll down to uninstall updates and uninstall the latest update, and this will solve the problem. But if it does not, then you can consider performing an SFC scan on your computer. So search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on run as administrator. Type the command sfc /scan now and hit enter to invoke the SFC scan. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.